Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bobbi. In case you don't know me, you just stumbled across my videos because you like makeup and I don't know, girls with curly hair who like bath products and all kinds of other shit. Okay, so on today's tutorial, I decided I'm gonna do a chit chat get ready with me on this look right here. Let's get high together. I popped it off with starting with an edible, but I mean, why not? Why not smoke as well? But this is the look I came up with. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, keep watching. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I have like errand hair and I don't care. Okay. So excuse my hair, excuse my bare face for right now, at least. Let's see what I picked out today. The most important part. Okay. This package has 500 milligrams of a hybrid blend and it's little caramel pieces, and each piece is 100 milligrams. Now, you say that's a lot, Bobbi. It is a lot, but I'm not going to take the whole piece. And these packages for edibles, I swear to you, are the most child-proof thing I've ever come across in my life. Even like baby-proofing stuff, it don't work as good as this shit does. Okay, so I have one piece, and so like I think I'm gonna do a quarter of a piece because I mean it's only like 12 o'clock and I mean, even though it's Sunday, okay, but just the same, if you're from the Oklahoma City area, I actually live in Edmond, but I went all the way to the south side for these. They're from this place on the south side called like Mr. Max or something like that, and they make like really fresh that day, and their consistency with their products is really good. That they make in there, like if you go in the daytime, you can see them in the back in the kitchen like making edibles and stuff. So I thought that was pretty cool. I was like, I want to go just for that. And after 6, they have some of their baked goods. They're like considered day old baked goods, so they're like half price after that. Yeah. Shout out to Mr. Max. If you want to like sponsor a video, we could get that done. But this is already for free, so I mean, so it ended up less of like a quarter because I tried to cut it with a spoon instead of like, I swear I'm not high already. Yeah. Anywho, so I got this little caramel piece. I guess we'll like wait like about 30 minutes because that's how long it takes. I'm just gonna like, I don't know, be on my phone or something, and I'll be back whenever I'm high as shit. We can get some makeup done, guys. Dude, my eyebrows took forever, but they look good. So I can do my eyebrows. That's cool. That's good. There's always people doing shit outside of my fucking window. If they would go somewhere, that'd be great. The amount of people who in my neighborhood who get fucking packages is retarded. And they just be leaving them out there. I'm from the hood. You don't do that in the hood. You don't just leave your packages. Somebody gonna steal that shit. You know what they say, you can take the girl out of the hood, but you can't take the hood out of the girl. So, I think I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so there's this gray color right here in the palette, and it's called Vroom Vroom. I didn't name it. Okay, so I can't be called childish for it. There's this color called Vroom Vroom right here. And you know what? I really like that the purple, the lighter purple right here. It's called Pink Fleet. So I'm gonna do like, should I do on that like rimmed in that, or should I do inner corner? Let's rim that shit. Wait, pause. Not cool. Okay, yes, but I have a direction now. Fucking right I do. Okay, y'all. So what's everybody been up to? I know y'all aren't gonna answer me, but I say things like that anyways. But I guess you could like comment it or something if you wanted to. You don't have to, but it would be nice. I feel crazy whenever nobody ever comments and then like I'm talking to myself in a room. That's really vain. Either I'm crazy or I'm really think people will listen to me. So this is the Maybelline Eye Studio. Their little paint pot. And it's the blackest black one. And I'm just taking like a flat concealer brush and I dip that in there. Shit. Before that, I'm gonna take this pencil and put it in my waterline, because we're gonna start off with some darkness. Wait, hold on. I should zoom you in. So we're taking this right here, okay? And if you don't have like a paint pot like I do, you can just use a little like regular eyeliner like I use for my waterline. But you know what? I'm extra and I do everything so extra. So if I can't paint it on with the bigger brush, why not? And this is gonna be creamier, the paint pot one, than the waterline one. So that's why I did that. So now I'm gonna take this blended brush and put it in Vroom Vroom while this stuff is still tacky. What Pink Fleet does to this color. Wow, that's a lot of fun. Oh, before I forget, I wanted to tell everybody who watches my YouTube videos that might not necessarily follow me online, like on social media stuff, that on my Facebook, I started my makeup Facebook. I started to do like Makeup Mondays. And I'm just doing those live at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you just so happen to not live in fucking Oklahoma. So yeah, 6 p.m. And I just am gonna get ready and hopefully be able to like answer anybody else's questions, or like advice. We can do like a little Auntie Bobby section. Like, I'll help you with your problems. People like to talk to me about their problems. I got this too. I give great advice. I might not necessarily follow my own great advice, but I give good advice. I'm gonna take this color 1985. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let me. Okay, it's like a more like my skin tone or whatever. So I'm gonna use that to buff around the edges. This side ain't a bad bitch. I don't know what is. Oh shit, bitch. Did I just stumble upon something magical? I think I did. Ugh. If you love this makeup, you guys have to tell me, okay? I don't know if it's because I'm just this extra, or it just looks good right now because I'm high. But I love this. Oh my god. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and curl my lashes and stuff. I'll be right back. Anyways, most importantly, like I was saying, like, is it not so fucked up that like people who have acne and then they decide to wear makeup to like make it better or whatever, right? And then you put on more makeup and the makeup makes more fucking pimples, and so you put on more fucking shit. It's like a really fucking vicious cycle, you know? It's bullshit. She's done. And I'm gonna have to say, I could even use another little poof by the end of this, honestly. And I hope you're watching with me and you need a poof too. Because I mean, what's better than getting high watching a bunch of YouTube videos? I be doing that shit all the time. Well, thank you so much for staying all the way to the end of my video. And I'll see y'all next Thursday. And hopefully on Makeup Mondays on Facebook. Fuck. I'm high. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my videos with all your friends so that everybody can come back here and be cool as shit like you and me. I'm kidding. I'm not cool. I don't have any friends.